Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. First we make banana tambe. We have banana and brandy and also brown sugar and also this cinnamon. Okay, first we put brown sugar, yeah. We melt the brown sugar, yeah. Okay. When melt the brown sugar, after we put butter. After we put cinnamon. Then put the brandy and make the we make this one with the orange juice, yeah. And the last, when it melt, sugar, everything, we put banana and we cook until when this banana take the juice, and almost we fix. Yeah, it's ready. It's very nice smell now. It's ready to eat. You can serve. Wow, it's very nice banana flambe. Thanks so much for watching, guys.